My name is Bob Lesnetsky, and I will be leading today's presentation. Let's start by taking a brief look at our agenda. We're going to begin by looking at some of the warning signs or situations which would typically help you to recognize the need for business intelligence. We're then going to spend a few minutes defining the business intelligence spectrum by looking at its key tools and functionality. Following that, we'll explore the benefits of business intelligence, approaches to implementing BI, what to look for in business intelligence products and applications, and in a business intelligence supplier or partner, and conclude with a brief summary. So with that, let's begin. Business intelligence is certainly not a new concept. It's been used for years by IT staffers in large enterprises with the budgets to support it. What's new is the fact that business intelligence tools are now affordable and accessible even for smaller, mid-sized companies and even for the non-technical business user. Now managers can use these products for sophisticated analysis of complex information to support their decision-making processes. They can combine data from a wide variety of sources and see an integrated, up-to-date 360-degree view. For any company considering a BI initiative, the key is to select the right product, the right vendor, and the right approach, all key topics which we will be discussing today. If your organization is like most, your primary focus is acquiring customers, increasing revenues and profitability, and outpacing your competition. And while your organization continues to improve its operating efficiencies, you recognize the need to spend more time analyzing what's going on and planning for the future than solving operational problems and putting out fires. You also need to determine where to concentrate your efforts. You certainly can't check every detail, yet there must be a way to monitor operations to find and resolve potential problems while identifying and leveraging new opportunities. And you need to ensure that employee and departmental metrics are aligned with overall strategic goals. Your organization may not have the resources of a Fortune 500 company, but your employees are passionate about their jobs and committed to your customers. Maybe your company is relatively small right now, but it's on a high growth path. You're aware of the power of business intelligence and know that larger companies and maybe even your direct competitors are using it to their advantage. At this stage of your company's evolution, it may be time your analysis capabilities graduated from spreadsheets to more powerful tools as well. So let's look at some of the telltale signs which indicate that you could benefit from improved business intelligence. You may be struggling with competing versions of the truth. This is typically marked by interdepartmental meetings, which frequently turn contentious because participants end up debating whose spreadsheet has the correct figures. You may be suffering from an inability to perform in-depth analysis. Your company knows which of its sites have the highest distribution volumes, but can't identify which products have the highest sales. You may be experiencing difficulty locating important information. You've recently heard that a report showing year-over-year quality performance metrics or growth for each customer have been posted to the intranet, but you have no idea how to find it. You have a need for simple-to-use production reporting technology. Your accounting department is using word processing to generate customer invoices, resulting in errors and customer complaints. You may have an inability to comply with government reporting requirements. You need proper audit trails and data lineage to ensure reporting timeliness and accuracy. You may also be suffering from a lack of timely reports. IT is unable, in this instance, to fulfill managers' requests for reports when they want and need them. And you may be also experiencing difficulty consolidating data for integrated information access. You may have reports that require data from multiple operational systems, which involve generating separate reports from each and then combining them into a spreadsheet. So if you recognize one or more of these classic symptoms, it may be time to consider improved business intelligence. So let's take a look at the BI spectrum. The BI spectrum is very broad in terms of its tools and functionality. At its core is the traditional functionality of query, reporting, and analysis. This is complemented by data quality and data integration to accurately and consistently consolidate data from multiple sources. Dashboards and other visualization techniques can help users quickly understand analysis results and are often considered part of the BI spectrum. Business intelligence can also encompass search functionality for locating information in reports, predictive analysis to discover hidden patterns and enable what-if analysis, and scorecards and performance management to help monitor business metrics and key performance indicators. These key performance indicators might include things such as customer satisfaction, customer complaints as a percentage of production orders or distribution orders, profitability, and sales per employee, and be monitored to support alignment of individual and departmental metrics and the organization's strategic goals.